Had to go inside the car because it was a little windy outside. What's going on, guys? Steve Blake here. If you haven't noticed, some states are reopening commerce. One was Burlington Coat Factory. They had an extra 50% off all sneakers. I went not even on the beginning day, and this is what we ended up getting. All right, so again, the total was $710, and we saved $706, and that $444 is the tax on that. And you can see here, everything extra 50% off. We'll go through everything one by one, but even some electronics like this Donkey Kong case was $4, retail 20. You got a lot of shoes that were like dirt cheap. All right, so here is the haul in total. I actually should have probably counted how many pairs total this is, but you guys just saw the receipt, so I'll kind of go over in detail what I grabbed. These are promo sample, school sample Kobe's, so made sure I grabbed all those. The Air Monarchs were $15 a piece. Those are those Nintendo Switch cases. We also grabbed a hair cutter, shout out in this economy, and Catan, because Catan's a great game, easy to sell, and this one was super under retail. We grabbed some Mercurials in a size 7 youth. I know a lot of people that still wear that size even if they're full-grown adults. Baseball cleats, those are about $9, $8. Terra Kiger trails, we got the Tiger Woods golf shoes, women's golf shoes, more Air Monarchs. This Saturn shoe was retail $200, got it for $35. All these hats were $5. The Metcon trainer, $20. All these polo shoes, $10. The Tailwinds, $25. The SFBs, these are $30. That's like a $160 retail shoe that I believe they're done making. Same with the Solar Boost here, and the Boston, $160 a piece for $17. Some Nike ACGs, and then a Marquee Boost basketball shoe that I think was also $17. Yeah, $17. So that is the total haul. Now, a lot of people might be asking, like, where are these going to get sold, considering they don't have boxes. Goat, super easy to sell stuff without boxes, and on eBay they'll sell without boxes all day. But this was an opportunity where a lot of these shoes are getting close to about 80% off, which is crazy for name brand stuff. I'm sorry about, like, I probably look like I'm glistening in sweat, because I am, but yeah, it's like been a weird, like, hot, humid, kind of like rainy day, whatever. But definitely, if you get a chance, check out Burlington Coat Factory. They had opened like a week ago, and I got there late, I guess, today, and I was still able to grab a bunch of stuff. So either people aren't really sure or up on prices, or they look at some stuff and they're like, you know, I just want to grab the easiest to sell stuff. But, you know, a lot of these things are going to be quite easy to sell regardless. So I would say there's some good money there. On the $710 after eBay fees, meaning like, so after fees and then less the $700 that I spent, I'm probably looking at about $1,200 profit, albeit it'll take me a little bit of time to sell everything, but not bad at all for a day. Like, maybe not a day, like I spent longer waiting in line to cash out than I did in the actual store. So something to keep an eye out as some of these stores reopen. I mean, they're doing some crazy discounts, especially on product that's evergreen. I mean, Nike Air Monarchs, evergreen, the Kobe's, evergreen, cleats, evergreen, and evergreen's just something that's not really tied to a season, that's kind of always in demand year round. So that's my advice to you guys. Hopefully you guys are staying safe, enjoying your time. If you missed the car review, definitely go check that out. Steve Blake signing out. Peace, guys.